Hello, my name is Jake Rhodes with ADJ, and today we'll be going over two brand new units, the Encore Profile Pro Warm White and the Encore Profile Pro Color. The Warm White version is powered by a 260 watt Warm White LED that outputs a Kelvin temperature of 3200 and emits around 10,000 lumens. The Color version is powered by a 250 watt LED that has red, green, blue, white, amber, and lime LEDs, which emit around 5,000 lumens. The lumen output differs depending on what lens tube you are using. We offer 14, 19, 26, 36, and 50 degree lenses. Please check our website for individual photometric reports with each different lens tube. Both of these units have industry standard parts from the shutter assembly forward, meaning if you have any other equipment from your current ellipsoidal units, it'll work with these. A few examples are the shutter assembly itself, B-size gobos, gobo rotators, motorized and manual irises, lens tubes, gel frames, top hats, half hats, gel extenders, donuts, and if you really want to go old school, motorized mirrors and gel scrollers on the front accessory slot. One quick note on using older styled lens tubes that were designed for incandescent lamps. These are not as optimized as newer styled lenses made for LED fixtures, and you may run into some focusing issues. On top of that, these will not allow the same output as our lenses do, as they have been engineered specifically for LED sources. Now let's talk about the differences between these two units. Like previously mentioned, one is a locked-in 3200 Kelvin, and the other is a color source. However, we have actually specially designed an independent dynamic white fader in the color version, so you can achieve color-corrected shots ranging from 2500 Kelvin to 10,000 Kelvin. This dynamic white range, along with a high CRI rating of over 90, means you are getting a high quality of white light. Similarly, in the dedicated warm white unit, the CRI is an impressive 97. Other than having different DMX modes, that's where the differences end. Hardware-wise, these units are the same. They both feature power locking in and out ports, 5-pin DMX ins and outs, a USB software update port, a sturdy metal grab handle on the rear for easy transportation, a safety cable loop location, and finally, our SureLock locking tilt mechanism. I personally think this is a very underrated feature, as the tilt mechanism will lock into every 10th degree because of rubber teeth inside the tilt mechanism. This minimizes the issue of losing or dropping focus when you have heavy weight on the front of the unit, or when someone forgets to tighten down the tilt knob. And we all know that one person. Uses for these new units are vast, but some may include theaters, houses of worship, large venues in general, ballrooms, meeting halls, trade shows, event production, gobo projection, and in general anywhere you may need an ellipsoidal unit. You can check out the new Encore Profile Pro Warm White and the Encore Profile Pro Color at ADJ.com.